Mounting Dream TV Wall Mount. Low-profile TV mount for most 37 to 70-inch TVs up to 132 pounds. Tilting TV wall mount with max VESA 600 by 400 mm. Fits 16 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches studs. Easily adjust level after installation. Check mark TV mount compatibility. The tilting TV wall mounts fit most 37 to 70-inch TVs up to 132 pounds, with VESA size 200 by 100 mm to 600 by 400 mm available. This TV mount can be mounted on 12 to 24-inch wood studs. Caution: this TV wall mount is not for drywall alone installation. Check mark level anytime. Easily adjust level even after installation. This tilting TV wall mount bracket with leveling design helps you adjust level easily anytime. Check mark save space and reduce glare. This tilting TV wall mount for flat screens offers +3 degrees, -15 degrees tilt to eliminate annoying screen glare. Universal TV wall mount TV bracket can place your TV only 58 mm (2.3) from the wall for saving space. Check mark easy to install. This low-profile TV mount comes with clear instruction and all included hardware are in pre-labeled bags. Remarks can help you distinguish which screw you should use. Plus or minus 5 degrees post-installation adjustment allows perfect TV leveling. Concrete anchors will be sent per request. Check mark customer service. Our US-based customer service experts are available every day to help. If you have any problem or concern about the TV mount bracket, please contact us anytime.